Right, hi guys and welcome back. Right, so this week we're going to be doing some resin art. We're going to be using the blue Alumilite dye. We're going to be using the ocean blue Alumilite dyes. Probably about 5 or 6 drops of that should be suffice. Also going to be using the green Alumilite dye. That's just a standard green. And as you can see quite blatantly, the white Alumilite dye there. Yeah, this week I haven't been able to get out into the workshop, not been very well, so I thought I'd try something different. Also going to be using the Art Resin. This is the 16 ounce bowl, so 32 ounce in total with resin and hardener. I've worked out on the Art Resin's website I'm going to need 3 ounces of resin to cover the piece that I'm doing, which is 10 inches by 8 inches, and it calculated to be about 3 ounces of resin, so I've done a little bit more just to be safe. There you can see, just showing you the they're actually cheap shot glasses I bought, which hold about an ounce of resin in each one, and the big mixing cup just so I could mix it all up in one batch and pour it into each shot glass. Right, so here we're just getting ready to pour part A. I didn't bath the resin first. I should have done that, and a few times in projects I should have done it, but I thought it'd be okay. It was still a little bit sort of thick, and would have been easier if I'd given it a bath. I'm pretty sure I poured I think it was 1.8 ounces of each, part A and part B, because the Art Resin is worked on equal parts. It was just to give me that little bit extra of play, being the first resin art I've done. Yeah, so this is part A being poured now. So here is part B, the hardener side, and again it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So it was 1.8 ounces of part B as well. And that was poured straight in on top of the part A. The Art Resin has got roughly around about a 45-minute open window, so there's a lot of play time with the resin. So here I'm just mixing part A and part B together. The information with the resin does suggest mixing for 3 minutes, which I did do. And as you can see there, in the cup, the resin is still quite thick, and that is because I didn't give it a bath in some warm water in the bottles before I poured them, because otherwise that would have been more like a water consistency. So I've wanted to do the resin art now for a while, and I thought it'd be a good project to introduce to the channel as a different art besides the wood turning. I got my Art Resin from a company called Metal Clay. Fantastic company, brilliant customer service and super fast shipping. So if you're after the Art Resin, check them out, really good company. Yeah, I've been watching people recently like Steve from SK Crafts, Pam from Highland Boxes, Doug from the Pole Barn Projects, just tons and tons of people doing it, and yeah, I wanted to give it a go anyway, and I thought, yeah, this is a perfect time to do it. So this is my take on resin art.
Child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. Ooh. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight.